To get started, click on New Template and proceed with creating a WhatsApp template. On the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll find the Help section. Under this section, you'll see the AI Copilot option. Begin by selecting the appropriate template category and DNS template type. Next, type the message content that you would like to send to your customers. For example, let's say you want to send a follow-up message to a customer who has already reached out to your business, informing them about a specific update or offer. Once you've finished typing your message, click on Generate with AI. A pop-up window will appear. Simply copy and paste the message you've drafted into the AI Copilot prompt and provide a clear instruction, such as, please reframe this content into a utility template suitable for WhatsApp. Once you submit the request, AI Copilot will process your prompt and generate a utility-compliant version of your message within a few moments. As you can see, the content has now been reframed into a utility template. Using AI Copilot helps ensure that your template aligns with Meta's utility category guidelines, reducing the chances of the template being recategorized as a marketing template during the approval process. If required, you can further personalize or make minor edits to the generated content before submitting it. Once you're satisfied with the template, click Submit, followed by Done. Your template will now be sent to Meta for approval. And that's how you can quickly create utility templates using the integrated AI Copilot feature